Hey everyone, this is Jessica and I wanted to show you today how to make a club sandwich. In case you've never made one, you've never tried it, you have to try this. This is really good, easy sandwich. The ingredients are tomatoes, cheese, bread, light bread of your choosing, lettuce of your choosing, tomatoes, and mayonnaise. And also there is some toothpicks there that you can use for putting it all together. I have some honey ham and some honey smoked turkey that's also going to go on it, along with the bacon and the rest of the ingredients you see here. So I'll bring you back when it is time to start putting it together. So I'm going to go ahead and fry the bacon up. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to have 3 slices of bread, and you're going to put mayonnaise on each one. Okay, and then you're going to put some lettuce on one of them. Give me 2 slices of cheese. Ready. Okay, and you're going to put 2 pieces of, you can put tomato on it. I'm fixing this one for my daughter. She doesn't want tomato. So you're going to put some ham on it, some cheese, and then the next piece of bread. And then you're going to get 2 pieces of bacon, cheese, and then 2 pieces of ham or turkey, either one, and then it's going to look like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put toothpicks in it. All the way down. And then all you have to do is cut it in half, now that you've got the toothpicks in it. And there you go, a club sandwich. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you tried the recipe, and if you haven't already, subscribe.